Welcome on into the Faithful Studio, everybody. Welcome into Friday. It is Friday, that's right. I love Fridays. For all of us that are back to work from COVID, or maybe you never left work, but it's Friday. So no matter what, if you work this weekend or you don't work this weekend, it's still Friday, and I'm glad to have you here. My name is Tyson, if you didn't already know that, aka Faithfully Bearded, and on this channel, we love to review beard products, put them on a ranker score, put them up on my website so you can see how I rank out all the beard companies and their products compared to other beard companies and their products that I've reviewed. I also tend to like to give you discount codes and offer giveaways, all those fun type of things. I tend to try to bring you into my dry sense of humor where you half the time you don't know if I'm serious or I'm joking, but I love to pop jokes and I love to laugh at myself, or not so much laugh, to leave you wondering if it was a joke or not a joke. But that's what we do here. We have live streams, we have giveaways, we have eating competitions, we have an eating competition champion, we have faith, we have family, and a lot of times you'll see my daughter pop up on these things, except for she's gone today. But today, the company that we're talking about, and I would say reviewing, but not reviewing, and I'll tell you a little bit about that. I'm Tyson with Faithfully Bearded. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that thumbs up, and that bell, and turn on all notifications so you know when we come out with new content. So the company we're talking about today is American-made beard company, established in 2019. And the reason I say review but not review is what I got from them was 2 full-size oils and then a sample pack. So with that, I find it really difficult to rate out the company on the Faithful Ranker score because I don't have balms, I don't have butters, I don't have anything that they offer other than their beard oil. Now, when I go and look at their website, I find it a little confusing on what's going on. It seems to me like a lot of it is special edition type things. So like right now they have a raspberry oatmeal stout. And so it comes in this tiny little guy like this here, and it's raspberry oatmeal stout. Now, when I smell it, I can get a nice raspberry oatmeal stouty. The stout isn't necessarily super deep for me, but you're talking like apricot kernel oil, sweet almond oil, vitamin E oil, jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, aloe vera oil. So you have a really good base of carrier oils, and then you have the scent. So they partnered up on this raspberry oatmeal stout with Hop Station, I believe, which is a local craft bar to them. So that's kind of cool that they partnered up with somebody local to do a scent. Whether it's limited per edition or it's going to stick around, I'm not 100% sure. I think what they do is limited edition scents, and then if they get good feedback, they keep them around. So talking about the feel in the beard and how everything was, for me, I really, really, really enjoyed the feel in beard. I think it's one of the top-notch companies, but when you look at the carrier oil blend, you can see why I really like a lot of those carrier oils that they have. I do also have one called Dark Matter, and they get a lot of attention around Dark Matter, and I just have it in this little sample size. So to be honest with you, it's like enough to smell, not really even use. But it's like mahogany, teakwood, seaside citrus, and a secret cologne scent. Now, in the full-size bottle, they handcraft the bottle. Well, not handcraft the bottle. They don't blow the glass. They paint the bottle, and they make sure that it's done in a unique, crazy way. So I believe this bottle is like a purple with a silver twist top. But the scent, to me, is a nice cologne scent. It's probably my favorite scent out of there from what I could actually get out of it, out of these little drams. Like, I am not a sample size type person, so let me preface it with that. But you also have one called Stormscape. Now, I didn't really know what to think of when I kind of realized like Stormscape, and then, you know, they say it's woodsy, watery, fresh, greenery. I kind of get a cologne scent out of it. I definitely get green, but to me it's not like, it's a sweet green. It's a sweet green, fresh, watery scent. I don't necessarily get storm, but I could see how like maybe you're sitting in a tropical place and a storm system rolls through, and then you're left with that after smell of like the after rain scent, but some sweet fresh greenery. I could definitely see that one. We also have Nightcap. Nightcap is Kentucky bourbon and bergamot. So bourbon and bergamot, two of my favorite scents. And oh lordy, I can get into that because I love me some bourbon scents. And then you have Old Glory, which is cedarwood, orange, and clove. I mean, I like orange and clove. It's your spicy scent, so if you like that clove spice, you're going to like this scent. It's orange and clove. You get a little bit of cedarwood in there. But let's talk full-size oils that I got. I got a Barbershop oil right here. You see the label? I really like the look of their labels. I wish they would wrap around the bottle a little bit more because half the bottle is uncovered. And then I wish the colors, they seem faded to me. I don't necessarily particularly like that, but it is what it is. This Barbershop scent, I mean, they say it leaves you smelling like you're walking out of the barbershop. I'd say this is a pretty traditional barbershop scent, but it has a nice, long-lasting scent, maybe around 6 to 8 hours for me. I really enjoyed it. Again, I do like the clear bottle on this. I think this is one that sticks around all the time. I don't think it's a limited edition, but I do think with COVID, they're seeing some restrictions on some ingredients to make some of these. And then you have the American Gentleman right here. Again, see how the label's kind of dulled out? But American Gentleman's pipe tobacco, leather, and vanilla. So when I smell this, yep, pipe tobacco and leather is what I get out of it. The leather kind of comes out more, hits you up front, but the pipe tobacco comes out in beard. So I really like that. You got directions on here. You got in the ingredients. Again, I already went over the ingredients. So I think there's some pretty good stuff here. It's just hard for me to rank out. Like, I really like some of these smaller scents, some of these other scents that I got in these smaller drams, but there's just really not enough to get in your beard and utilize in your beard to really get the full experience of how long they last. So it's really hard for me to test out. To me, it was more of a sniff test, rub it on my hand a little bit, smell it, see if I think I would like the scent. But I did get to mess around with these two bigger bottles, and I think both were fantastic. So they have a lot of cool things over on their website. They got swag, they got balms and the beard oils, a lot of special edition stuff, and it seems to me like they do special edition stuff more like monthly. So you have opportunity to get something different every month. But then they also send you one of these bags with your orders. Once you get to 5 of these bags, you can go on the website, you can check out that you have 5 of these bags. They send you a return shipping address. You send it in, and you get a free product, free bottle of beard oil, basically, when you collect 5 of these bags. So basically, it's like every 5 orders, you're getting a free beard oil. Now, I think that's pretty unique. It's a way for them to, I don't know, maybe they recycle these bags and resend them out, so it's a way to cost save, but also have a rewards program for you. I don't know. I like reward programs, so why not, right? I like reward programs. You like reward programs. Geez, reward programs. Say that 5 times fast. It's 6:22 in the morning here on this Friday morning. I'm not quite woken up, so let me grab some of this. That is hot. Hot coffee. I even put 2 ice cubes in it. But I digress. So that's what we have for American-made beer company. I think the name behind it is great. I think it was a perfect week to review them. I didn't have an opportunity to talk to them, so what I'm telling you is based on their website and my experiences. I hope that with this company I get an opportunity to do more with them in the future. I'd like to try out some bigger size scents of these other sample sizes I have, and then try out their balm and other products to see if I could rank them out more as a company rather than my limited experience with beard oil only. So if you've tried them before, comment down below. Let me know what you think of their balm. Let me know what your favorite scent is from them. But until I talk to you guys again soon, be bearded, be you, and God bless. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, that thumbs up, and that bell. Turn on all your notifications so you know when we come out with new content. You can also find us at faithfullybearded.com, on Facebook, on Instagram, and on your favorite podcast network. Just search Faithfully Bearded on your favorite podcast app. God bless.